I'm going to hit this ramp with some speed. And here we are! I just arrived in Lindos, and on the far hill you can see the Acropolis and the little village down below. And this peninsula has a bay on both sides. We're going to check out both bays. We're going to check out the Acropolis, and we're going to check out the village. It's Rhodes, Greece. It's known as the Island of Knights. Historically, it's been inhabited for thousands of years, beginning with the Dorians, several millennia BC. And for centuries, it has been a prized possession of many nations in the region. I'm just so excited to be here, I can't wait to show you what this place is all about. Greeks believed in putting temples in high places as a way to dedicate themselves to the gods. When Christianity arrived in Greece, churches took its place. So let's check out this little chapel and see what it's all about. Isn't that cool? check it out. After quite a long walk up a big hill, I just arrived at the Acropolis of Lindos. And what a view. And above me here is a temple that was dedicated to the goddess Athena. It was built in the 4th century BC in Doric style. So let me give you a quick little tour of this unbelievable place. Would you check this out? This is the ancient city of Lindos. Let's try to find some coffee here, right? Although Lindos was established in the 10th century BC, it wasn't until about 300 BC that the Acropolis was finished. Well, after hundreds of years it fell into disuse, and it wasn't until the Middle Ages, when the Knights of St. John showed up, that it was repurposed and turned into a citadel. So anyway, there's a little bit of history over coffee.
Check out the cityscape here. See the castle walls, the minaret in the background, the clock tower way in the back. My first impression when coming here, it just takes your breath away. This is just like something out of a medieval storybook. It's almost impossible to describe.
This place echoes history. It was built in the 1300s and 1400s as a way to capitalize on the economic boom in the Eastern Mediterranean. And it was also the first line of defense for Christian Europe. Subsequently, Europe supplied the Knights of Rhodes with 7,000 highly qualified and skilled warriors. These knights, 7,000 of them, defended this city against Suleiman the Great.
And this is the valley of butterflies. What a gorgeous forest. Rhodes has so many different ecosystems. It's dry in some parts, moist in others.
Check it out. I've got a new friend in Greece, a donkey. A donkey is the official form of transportation used for centuries in Greece, and it's eco-friendly. All you gotta do is give it hay and water, and they're happy. Check him out. Isn't he cute?
Anthony Quinn. You might remember he played in the 1964 classic Zorba the Greek. Although Anthony is not Greek, he played the part so well, they named a beach after him in Greece. It is just gorgeous. And this is a must-see place if you're ever on the island of Rhodes. Let's go check it out. If one picture says 1,000 words, then what does Anthony Quinn Beach say? Take a look for yourself.